Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create sugar ball pattern background design in Adobe InDesign. Double click on Polygon Frame tool. Number of sides 6. Rotate 90 degree. Outline color black. Outline stroke 4 point. Black fill color tint 7%. Fill color black. Gradient panel. Type linear and angle 90 degree. Click on reverse gradient. Go to edit menu and step and repeat. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Go to edit menu and step and repeat. Finally, your black and white hexagon secure ball seamless pattern is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create seamless football or secure pattern in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.